Hi, Jenny here. I found some recipes on my desktop that my daughter had given me over a year ago to make, and I have the ingredients for this one. So today we are going to make some cream cheese marble brownies. Let's get started. For this recipe you need 1 box of brownie mix, and you are going to make this according to the box directions. So that includes a 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And then we will also need a 1/3 cup of sugar, another egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and then 1 package of cream cheese softened. Our box of brownies comes with some frosting in there. Not sure for sure if I'm going to use that yet or not, but put that aside. And we will mix up our mix according to the box directions. Let's not have this fall over. That would be my luck. Oh. Yay, I didn't. Alright. So, we have the brownie mix. And 1/4 cup of water, which I measured out. 1/3 cup of the oil, and then 1 egg, and then we will beat that until it is all smooth. Alright, once your batter is nice and smooth, then you want to go ahead and spray a 9x13 pan and pour the batter in here evenly. So I have my cute little misto that I like from the store. You can obviously use like a Pam spray, whatever, non-stick spray, or butter. Whatever you like to grease your pan. And pour this in. Okay, we will set this aside. I'm going to wash my bowl, and we are going to mix up our cream cheese mixture that we're going to put on top. We are going to beat our cream cheese for about 3 minutes so that it's nice and creamy. And then we will add our 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of sugar, and mix that all in so it's creamy again. Go ahead and preheat your stove to 350 degrees. And then we are going to drop the cream cheese mixture by tablespoonfuls over the top of our brownie mixture. And then we will take a knife and we'll just kind of swirl it all in. Once your cream cheese is all on top of the brownie batter, take a knife and we're just going to swirl it all through and try to make like a marble pattern as it cooks. Just get down in there in the brownie mixture a little bit. Alright, we will now bake it in our 350 degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. till the top layer is going to be kind of brownish, and we'll stick a toothpick in there and make sure that it's done. Alrighty, I checked the stove at I did. Oh, okay. I checked the stove at 35 minutes and it didn't seem quite done yet. It wasn't really brown on the top and all that, but here it is. It's looking all nice and brownish. Looks done, smells good. We'll do the toothpick test. Coming out clean? Oh, yeah, turn that off. Yeah. Alright, we will let that cool and then we can eat some. The brownies have cooled. They came out of the pan really easily, so the spray did its job. They seem kind of dense and fudge-like, so we shall see. And I don't really see any marbling on the inside of the brownie. You can see in the plate. But the top looks really pretty, so that's okay. I'm sure they're still really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and hit the little subscribe button so that you can see more of my videos when I put them out. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like brownies and what your favorite kind is. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. These are really good.